Now that you've been watching this video for 3 seconds, you're probably asking yourself, Yak, what kind of lighting are you using? Are you using an Aperture 300D? Are you using an Airy Plus 650 watts? No, I'm actually just using a normal house lamp with a softbox on it. And this is not for something that's for, just to make it like a budget thing or just to like actually use it in a professional shoot. No, this is just something for convenience, because you can just keep a lamp inside of your room and then just put a softbox on top of it and then be able to shoot videos, which is what I've been struggling with, where I'm like, I just don't want to deal with like setting up the lighting and the audio and everything. So I'm like, you know what? Let me try to find a way to turn a house lamp into a softbox. So that's what we're gonna figure out today and how to do it. And obviously I already done this. That's what's lighting me up right now, and it actually looks pretty good. So let me show you guys why you guys need to do this, and let's get right to it. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna need is this Godox softbox that we got right here. We are using this one right here because the opening for it is not actually a bow and mount, but it's meant to put in a bow and mount adapter, so that the middle of it is like this square that you can put like circular adapters onto it, which works perfectly with this lamp that I got right here. So let me just take this off, and as you can see, it's that easy to take it off. And let's turn this off. But as you can see, the opening for it is like perfect for this lamp that we got right here, and you just like plug it in, in here, and then the light just goes in, and then it gets diffused through in here. And the cool thing about this softbox is that you can just easily close it up and put it away. And when you need to shoot a video, you just open it back up and then put it on top of your light, and then boom, you got lighting. And things that, since this is just a desk lamp, it's not a desk lamp, this is just like a house lamp, you can just leave it in your room. You don't have to worry about, putting it away, because with my other lights, you have to like set them up, you have to put them on a light stand, and after you're done with them, unless if you have a studio, I'm not shooting this in a studio, I'm just shooting this in my office, I have to like put it away, so it's a pain in the ass. And if it's a pain in the ass, then you're probably gonna get lazy and not make videos, which is, if you look at my past uploads, I haven't made a video in 2 months, and that's the reason for that. So I'm just making it easier for myself, and you can get decent audio by doing it like this. But anyways, you're gonna need a lamp, but this is just some lamp I got from IKEA. You can use any lamp that has a similar reflector type of dish that it has right here. I'll actually give you the measurements for it right now. We got 6 inches by 6 inches. So you're gonna want a circular reflector type of dish that is 6 inches, so that your Godox reflector will fit on it. And the thing is that since this neck of this thing is very weak, I actually have to rest it on top of this couch that I got right here. But guess what? This is just a home setup that you can use just to make it easy on yourself. This is not, again, it's not meant to be like a professional thing that you bring into like a feature-length movie to shoot with. No, this is just a fun thing that you can do at home. You don't have to worry about setting up live. You just put up your Godox light on it, and boom, you're done. Another thing I will say is that for the light bulb, I recommend getting a daylight light bulb for it. They're kind of hard to find for some reason if you go to like Home Depot or anything. Make sure not to get the yellow type of one. Like at the back, it usually like tells you like what the temperature of the light is. Try to get it to be white. That's what you want. It's usually called daylight or it's white light. Additionally, if you have a little extra money, you can also get the Hue light bulb ones that you can control your phone, that you can also like change the color on it. But if you don't want to spend that much money, you can just get the white LED light bulbs. And the cool thing about them is that since the color is white, you can just put like a gel in front of it and change the color to whatever you want. Also in the description, I will have links to light bulbs that you can get. I'll put both just normal daylight and also the Philips Hue daylights that are a little expensive. I don't even own them, but if you have extra money, you can just get something like that. And I'll also have a link for the Godox in the description. Anyways guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I make videos every single week. And follow me on Instagram if you want to see my photography or any video projects that I work on. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. So have a good day.